Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. It is Thursday, March 17th. I hope you guys are all planning to come on out to the STEM night this evening. It should be a good time. Miss Pope and I will be running one of the stations, so we hope to see all of your friendly faces come out. There should be some great activities for you and a lot of things for you guys to take home if you come out tonight. So today we've got problem number 13 through 16 to do. Okay, 13 through 16. Problem number 13, we've got 5/8 times 16 25ths. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. 5 times 16. Well, I know that 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to put my 0 over here. I carry my 3. 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, so I get 80. All right, and then 8 times 5 is 40. I put my 0 over here, carry my 4. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then, so I get 80 200ths. Well, this is pretty easy because I know that I can drop these zeros off and get 8 20ths because I have to reduce this down, and now I know that 8 20ths can be reduced down even further if I divide by 2 here, and if I divide by 2 here, I'm going to end up getting 4 tenths. Well, got to go a little bit further. Oh, I should have divided by 4 on this one, so I'm going to divide by 2 one more time, divide by 2 one more time, and I'm going to get 2 fifths. 2 fifths, and 2 fifths is your final answer. 2 fifths. Okay, problem number 14. Closed figures made up of line segments are called polygons, and we should know this because we spend a lot of time studying polygons. All right, and then number 15. We're looking at 31 1/5 minus 17 4/5. They did not make this problem easy on us because I can subtract 17 from 31 easily, but I cannot subtract 4/5 from 1/5. So I'm going to have to turn these into improper fractions by doing the old loop-de-loo on both of these. 5 times 31. 5 times 1 is going to get me 5. 5 times 3 is going to get me 15. So I get 155 plus 1 is 156. So it's 156 over 5 minus 17 times 5. 17 times 5, or 7 times 5 is 35. Carry my 3. 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get 85. 85 plus 4 is going to get me 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So I get 89 fifths. And then I know that I'm going to go ahead and just solve 156 minus 80. 156 minus 89 here. I'm going to borrow from my 15, change that to a 14. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. I'm left with 7 here. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. I'm left with 6. So I get 67 fifths. And then I have to see how many times 5 can go into 67. Well, I know that 5 times 12 is 60. So I'm going to get 12 and 7 fifths as my final answer. 12 and 7 fifths. All right, now this last problem, we really have to read what they're asking us here. So it says the temperature at 7 a.m. was 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At 3 p.m. it was 40 degrees warmer. By 8 p.m. it had fallen by 15 degrees. What was the temperature at 8 p.m.? So we start off our day at 32 degrees. By 3 p.m. we add 40 degrees to that. So 2 plus 0 is going to give me 2. 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. So it went up to 72 degrees by that point in time. But then by 8 p.m. it dropped 15 degrees again. So we're going to have to take 15 degrees away from that. Borrow from that, make that a 6. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. So by 8 p.m. it was 57 degrees. Okay, by 8 p.m. it turned into 57 degrees. All right, we have Problems number 2 and 3 to do today. 2 and 3. So it says express the number in standard form. We've got 9,516,043. 9,516,043. So I know that this does not work because that's 9,560. 9,501, 9,051. So the only one that can work is B because it's 516,000. Okay, what is the value of the 9 in 60 and 394 thousandths? 394 thousandths. So we have to first look at what place is this 9 in. Well, that's 9 is in the hundreds. So it's not 9/10ths, it's not 9 thousandths, it is not 9 hundreds because it's after the decimal. It's 9 hundredths. 9 hundredths. All right. And we're going to call this hashtag Patty's, St. Patty's, hashtag St. Patty's, okay? Because today is St. Patty's Day. Don't forget, after today, we only have one more day. We've got a lot of cool things planned for today and tomorrow, so I hope you're ready. Let's make them great, ladies and gentlemen.